Hey there. As you can see, it's a beautiful day outside, ready for some Mexican drifting. I put my car in stealth mode just so I don't attract any unwanted attention, and we're gonna see what I can do today. This is gonna be my second session. Hopefully I learned something, but I guess you'll see. Somebody said I should go into second gear, so maybe I'll try that out a couple times. I'm not gonna spend too much time here, but let's see how it goes. Not great. Too much. Ooh, decent slide. I think I'm giving it too much lock, maybe? I think I'm overcorrecting too much, that's the thing. I'm like catching the slide too much and then the wheels are turned too much. Maybe I'll try some the other way. Yeah, right there. Like the first 90 degrees go pretty well, and then I think I'm overcorrecting, getting off the gas. I'm trying not to spin out like that. At least I didn't stall. Well, that one's actually really good. Looks like we're getting somewhere. Let me see if I can go left here. Throttle application too. I think I'm not giving enough throttle. I would try second gear, but I don't want to like hit the wall or something. Might as well. No, I think I'll try first gear. Nah. Way too much. Alrighty, well, there's session 2. Leave any updates. Any help would be very beneficial to me. As you can see, I'm not great, but I'm just here to have fun.